My name is Sam, and these are my friends Remy and Luca. We decided that our greenhouse science fair project would be on the ebb and flow system. We wanted to make an improvement. We know that the ebb and flow system fills and drains in two parts, so we decided would it help if it filled and drained in one cycle. We decided on a system that had two buckets stacked on top of each other to create water, making a cycle through the system.
Our system was comprised of two buckets, one on the top and one on the bottom. The bottom bucket would have a hydroponic pump that pushed water through a tube up to the top bucket. The top bucket had a plant that would collect the nutrients of the water. The water drained down a hole that we made in the bottom of the top bucket.
The way we collected our data was that every week for 3 weeks, we chose the longest leaf on our plant and we measured it with our hand and compared how long it was from the last week. We did the same thing with the ebb and flow and compared both.
In week 1, the results we got were that our system's plant grew to 4 inches, while the ebb and flow system's plant grew to 3 inches.
In week 2, our plant shrunk to 3.5 inches, while the ebb and flow plant shrunk to 1/2 inch.
For the final result, our plant grew to 5 inches and the ebb and flows grew to 2.5.
These results showed us that our system had a better effect on the plants than the ebb and flow system. This taught us that even the best systems can be changed and manipulated to have a better effect on plants.
Also, this taught us that when doing a project, you need to remember all variables and keep a good-sized data pool.
In the end result, we figured out that our system works better than the ebb and flows, and if we were to do this project again, we'd probably make 3 systems, 2 of our system and 1 of the ebb and flows.
We hope this inspires you to create your own systems that improve upon the systems in the greenhouse. Thank you.